Hey guys, I'm back and I am just being so quiet lately in YouTube. I took a break since I've been so busy at work and it has been just a crazy life. I've been onto this weird sequence of working out and going to work and home, then the kids are busy and then there's some things happen, but everything's fine. So today I just want to show you guys the progress I did in this walk-in room slash office of mine. I decided to go on to a cheaper route wherein buy furniture at IKEA and then build it myself, since I don't want to spend so much money on cabinet on this room specifically, because we're gonna spend a lot of money on our master's bedroom's cabinet walk-in closet per se. So this is gonna be a temporary room for my clothes as we build our master's closet. And I want to show you guys the journey I did. It's been like a crazy one, since it's just so hard to build furniture from scratch, especially from IKEA. But anyway, the room is finished. I hope it's finished. I'm looking at it right now, but I think I got it finished. So I want to show you guys the finished product. But before I show you the finished product, this is what happened during that time. So this is the before. This is how it looks like. So when you get into the door, I got a super mega clutter right here. So this is my workstation right here. I want to get a new table, maybe get rid of this table, or maybe just organize it. And so these are the lights that I use. This is the side we're in. I don't know what to do. Basically, this is just a side of clutter. So I want to organize this. I bought some dressers and stuff like that so I can put these things away. This side, I want to transform to a cute closet. This is just my overflow of clothes from our bedroom. So I put some clothes in here that I don't use for summer. So it's all right here. And more clutter, but I bought some shelving in here. So this is how this shelving looks like. And I want to show you guys how I transformed this room. And this is a good project. So far, this is my progress. I cleared everything in here. And then I dump everything right there. So when I build the closet, it will look so perfect. No clutter. Gonna get rid of that thing if I need to. I don't know yet. But there's all the junk. So yeah. The dresser in IKEA, we're kind of like doing a puzzle I'm building right now. Aiden's helping me sort the little screws, and those are the stuff I need to build. So Aiden's gonna help mommy. Hi Aiden? Uh-huh. Okay, after like almost an hour, I did this. This is such a pain. I wish I could known how to do puzzles. But yeah, so this is the progress. I am really tired already, but I gotta do this. And Aiden's helping. Okay, after another hour, I finished screwing this sides where this roller thing goes, so you can slide your dresser. And then this one, my hands hurt so much. Look how red it is right now. It's pretty crazy. Been twisting for like almost an hour, just non-stop. So yeah, so that's the progress of this drawer. So we finished a dresser and this is how it looks like. Super deep, about 2 feet. About 2 inches. What? So yeah, so that's the dresser. It took about, like, it's almost midnight right now, and like 3.5 hours to build this thing. So crazy. But anyway, and I'll show you guys the rest of the progress later. So this room, when you walk in, you will see the couch that I bought for my birthday a couple years ago. I really want a couch in this room since I'm not putting any bed or anything like that. So the couch is perfect. It's white. I got this on an estate sale. And this closet, my husband helped me build it. This is just like 2-pack stuff from IKEA. Nothing too special. So I got my sweaters down there, trying to organize the t-shirts and long sleeve and work stuff on color. I purged so much clothes. You don't even know how much I purchased, like so much. So I just want to stay on to the basic and not spend so much money on clothes anymore. I've been on that crazy not buying clothes for a while now, but since I got too many already, so I don't need any more. This is just my fall stuff, so this is not the heavy jackets. I use my winter jackets on the other room. Those are so much since we snowboard and we go up in the mountains a lot. So that is just my winter coat. I mean my fall coat, since fall's coming up and summer's almost over. So sad. And then up there are just my little purse collection. Again, I sold so many purses, and this is the stuff that I want to keep since they're kind of classic. This is pretty new. I'll make a bag reveal about this. This is like a classic patch kipal. It's pretty huge. And those are the other stuff. And then up there is a bunch of sweaters. We didn't close the top so we can maximize how big that is on there. And then on that side is just a bunch of boxes I want to keep. And this is just little summer stuff I wear, some light jacket for workout and other things. And then this side, I'm not sure what to do in here yet, but I was gonna put shelves for my shoes. So some of my shoes are still in a corner right here. And then this side, just a bunch of duffel bags and purses that I don't use anymore. And then I got here my wedding dress all wrapped, and some clothes that I wear during my prenup shoot. And this is just Tony's barong. So that's it. And the back is just backpacks that I use a lot. And then down here, just miscellaneous things. And when you turn over, here is my little desk. I got some antique, what do you call this? Desk table. And this is just my desk right here. I want to film something about this whole setup as well, but I don't know if you guys are interested about it. But here is my little setup every time I edit video, do some photography stuff. There's my little luggage I got. This painting is pretty old as well. And then on this side, that's my husband's corner, that little laptop over there. And then I'm pretty proud of this old iPod I got. That's Eliza's old iPad. I put some frames in this room as well. And I want to finish this up since there's 8 in here. I need to get more gold frame from the Goodwill since I like gold contrast in this room, since this room is kind of like yellowish already. And Eliza's multi-beads in there. That was Eliza's project when she was in 3rd grade, so I frame it and it's so cute. And here, since it is summer, I put all my dresses in here. I'm a dress person. I love dress. Most of my dress are from the Philippines since they're cheaper there and they look nice in there. If I buy something designer dress, I kind of like doesn't use it that much like how my Philippine dresses are. Most of these dresses are from the Philippines and they are so nice. This one, my grandma gave that to me, and this one got from the Philippines as well. But most of these dresses are from the Philippines, and I purged a lot of dresses again since I just want to wear something that I always wear. On weekends, this is all I got, is this dresses, this one piece or rompers, because they're so easy and you don't need to worry about what you're gonna wear. Anyway, below that is just my shoes. I have sold and donated a bunch of shoes since I don't want to spend so much money on shoes anymore. I have all my everyday Nikes in here. I got more downstairs since I like wearing just workout stuff. There's my other shoes in here. There's some pair of boots. And then there's my winter stuff right here. And then more shoes over there. So that's my shoe stuff. And then this side, this is another dresser I built. It took me about 3 hours to build this since I have no clue what I'm doing. So there's a dresser, and then my husband helped me finish this dresser. I was gonna put a vanity mirror right here, but it hasn't come in the mail, and I want to film this video so bad. So there it is. And then these are just knickknacks that everybody have. I don't know what I'm gonna do with all this knickknacks, to be honest with you, but they are all stuff I use. And then I got my little La Mer container right here. This is like my current skincare right now, and they are amazing. They're expensive, but they're worth the money. And I got big mirror right here, and there's me. And this mirror we got from our old house. My camera bag, some stuff I need to unbox that came in the mail. So this giant mirror is right here. I have some boxes that I save in there, so it looks kind of pretty. And this is the ring mirror I use when I film video if I'm using my big camera. So there it is. And again, when you turn around, this is how it looks like. Not a big room, but it's so spacious. Everything I need is right here, and so nice. And when you get out of the room, there goes the kids' room on this side. And there's our downstairs, and there's the door to our bedroom. So there you have it. That was the tour of my little office slash closet. So everything is like in this room is mine, and I try to keep it clean, but who knows what the kids are gonna do in the next few days. But anyway, so that's how it looks like. I hope you guys like this video. I was thinking to do more home stuff nowadays rather than a lot of vlogs, but we'll see what I will come up and how busy I am. But I hope you guys like this video. Give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.